Y'all, it's been 8 months since I moved inside of my apartment in Houston, Texas. And I just want to give y'all like an update of how everything looks now, furniture, everything, okay? So let's get into it. Now, before I show you the update of my apartment, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I promise you, you ain't gonna lose no edges, you ain't gonna lose no sleep, you damn sure ain't gonna lose no money. So please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Start with the kitchen. Y'all, my space is 580 square feet. It's a studio apartment and is perfect just for me. So yeah, so this is the kitchen right here. Like I mentioned in the first video, I was mentioning how I want my vibe to be like yellow and gold. And as you can see, it is still going strong. And this is my open pantry. I wanted to put a curtain or something right here, but I got used to it. So this is how this is looking now. Teapots. And like I said, not much has changed. Well, not much has changed besides me adding food and stuff to my cabinets. All that good stuff. Excuse the dishes. Not much has been going on, y'all. I thought when I got my apartment that I wanted to add a lot of stuff, but the longer that I've been here, you just get more acquainted and used to having less. And then this is underneath my sink. I'm not for sure if many of you watched my first video, but I was mentioning about how when I first moved in here, it was leaking. So they fixed that since then, but this is how it looks underneath. I love my air fryer. I love it. It works very well too, by the way. Washer that I never use. I got this off of Shein, which works well. But yeah, y'all, not much has changed. My electric mop. My painting. I'm not for sure if many of you know, but I'm also am a artist, painter, illustrator on the side too. So this is actually a painting that I'm currently working on right now. My coat closet that I use as a second closet. Quite busy right now, but I don't have too much space, so I gotta work with what I got. Now let's see the living room area. Okay, I got this couch off of Facebook Marketplace for I believe $45. That, and as you can see, there is a off-center picture of myself. There was a painting right there, but since my artwork is in a gallery / building, I don't want it to look plain, so I'm gonna have to work with that. And some more to pop in with the yellow like theme. See, another painting of mine. So pretty. Flowers. Yeah, so this is actually a statue of Nike something, I gotta think of it. But this is actually inspired by the Nike logo. Fun fact. So we got that. We got my stickers going on too. Okay, I don't got no chair, but I got a folding chair to make it work. Okay, so we got that, and now we going to look at my room. Y'all, I want a ottoman here so bad, but I'm gonna just have to deal with this moving box that I had since the very beginning. We have that going on over here. My small closet, if many of you recall from the very first time. Yeah, like I said, I gotta make it work, and so far it's working well for me. And then some more of my stuff that's on my dresser. So there was a paint right here, but it is currently within the gallery / building. We got this going on. Scooby-Doo, I love Scooby-Doo. Y'all, I literally am a child at heart. Like for real. And we got another painting going on, some more paintings, and now we are about to enter my bathroom. Out of all the places that's within my studio apartment, this one is probably the most crowded in a sense. So as you can see, a black woman clearly lives here. A black woman literally lives here, okay? And y'all, this is just more so of a gadget that I use to make content. It also works well too with a camera that I like a lot. But yeah, this is just my little makeup collection that I have. I recently just got hooked to this Huda. Hold on now, focus. I recently just got hooked on this Huda beauty powder. I've been asleep, but this is some good stuff. It's a little bit crowded over here, but ain't nothing I can't work with. Cause a lot of what's inside these boxes is really my art stuff. You have a camera right here, and then my bathroom is literally the least decorated. I gotta show some more love to my bathroom, but that's what I got going on right now. Okay, but y'all, that was my apartment. But I really want to sit here and just have a little talk with y'all real quick. I'm literally 31 years old, and this is my first apartment ever. I literally moved out of my hometown to a new city, knowing no one, nothing, and I'm here. And I would honestly advise someone to move out of your hometown for the one time. And it's like, now that I'm here and I'm by myself a lot and here within my own thoughts, I realized the only thing that was holding me back was myself. And you don't realize how much you're in your head until you have to put yourself out there. Fear really does hold a lot of people back. It really do. And I promise you, once you actually are out there and you're pursuing your dreams, or you're after that goal, or you're doing whatever it is that makes you happy, it gets less scary. I promise you. I promise you. Being out here, it's made me do things that I didn't even think I was even capable of doing. It just does that to you. And this is probably the most confident, the most powerful that I've felt in general. And I'm only just getting started. And if I feel like this, I know somebody else most likely will too. Or if you don't, you can get there. It may seem hard or impossible right now, but what I realize is that what's meant for you is meant for you. If you keep faith and you keep going, the sky's the limit. And whatever that you are trying to achieve isn't coming to you when you expect it, doesn't mean that it's not working. I've learned to be more patient and more gentle with myself, and I realize a lot of people also have that same issue too. Once you start having more positive conversations with yourself and having a better connection with yourself, life starts to get more easier and starts to play out better once you're more gentle with yourself and keep faith. So this is just more so that I guess the message of this is just keep faith, be gentle with yourself, be patient. And y'all, if you're also looking for apartment 2, it's coming. I promise you, it is coming. Just keep going and don't stop. Don't stop. I literally was working my ass off for a full year to save up for my apartment, working over 40 plus hours a week, doubles, working 12 hours within a day. But it all played off because I'm finally within my own place. And this is the most sereneness and more calmness that I've ever had. And I know there are other people who are like that too, to where your home situation is not bad, or it probably is bad, but just being within your own space, hearing your own thoughts, waking up, going to sleep to sereneness and calmness, it just does something to your spirit. It gets you in a better mood. It gets you more aligned with yourself. And people need to be more aligned with themselves so that they can achieve what they need to achieve. So y'all, if you've been planning to move out of your hometown, do that shit. Do it when it works for you, but don't wait too long because life is short. So yeah, y'all, I just need to really say that message. It felt very heavy on my heart. Thank y'all for watching this video. You all have a great day.